The different activities bukas po, Feb 25, EDSA People Power anniversary po natin. In the meantime, here is another tech segment with Ryan.
Money, honey, act like you know. Mama, I like how you dance, the way you fit in them pants into the flow.
Alright, thank you very much, Bam. And kasama ko dito mga photographers, mga multi-awarded photographers. We'll be talking to Sunny Espiritu and Renny Pampolina. Sunny is a staff photographer of Manila Standard and Renny is a close-in photographer of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, pare, ang pinag-uusapan natin mga pagiging high-tech, no? Of course, kayo, tinrain kayo ng mga father nyo sa analog technology, yung film. Yeah. And nag-ano nga kayo nag-dark room kayo noon. Yeah. But now, parang samot-sari, lahat ng photographer na digital darkroom, lahat na digital. And you guys have gone digital for convenience. Yeah, yeah. Pero let's talk about the merits, yung versus. Ano ba talaga yung benefits ng film photography muna siguro?
Benefits ng film photography? Marami kang matutunan talaga doon sa film. Before ka sana pumunta ng digital, you have to film muna. You advise new guys not to pick up a pro digital setup first. Matuto muna sa film, ganun ba yan?
Yeah.
Bakit?
It's because kasi it's very easy for you to handle any camera once na nanggaling ka na dun sa dun sa traditional ones.
Right.
Old cameras. Like that, especially pagka manual. So you can easily
use the mic. Okay.
You can easily do yung
pag-manipulate ng equipment.
Yeah. Oh.
Right. Pero yung paggamit mismo ng marami kasi mga purist pa rin, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Na hindi gumagamit ng digital. When they use, sabihin natin yung slide film, for magazines or for their art, no?
Yeah.
Bakit sila gumagamit pa rin ng film? Ano ba meron ng film na hindi mabigay-bigay ng digital photography?
Like sa yung quality, yung texture, yung emulsion. Like yung sa digital, kasi sometimes nagpipixelize eh.
Okay.
Some do
little squares that come out, di ba?
Yeah. Some do prepare using yung the old ones. So, yun, like yung sa mga ibang magazines. Pero kasi yung digital is more advisable siya sa yun nga, sa newspapers tsaka sa advertising.
Okay. You guys do photojourn mostly. Ano naman yung advantage sa inyo ngayon ng digital?
Yung easy way of transmitting.
Advantage ng digital kasi yung the fastest way to transmit. Tsaka hindi mo na kailangan ng darkroom, di ba? Tapos you can view agad yung photo mo sa kung mali
pwede
sa
kang kumuha agad.
Tsaka pwede mo nang yung file size is pwede mo nang palakihin. Kahit yung nagagawa ng film, yung 120 or 220, kaya na ng digital.
You're talking about the medium format,
yeah, medium format and large format.
Right. Okay, Sunny, meron ka kinukwento kanina, no? Yung experience, halimbawa, ng Marlboro Tour.
Yeah.
Di ba? Nagko-cover ka nun. Ano yung benefit nun sa paggamit mo ng digital camera?
It's advantage siya eh. Yung using
Kung dati, kung film, ano yung mangyayari? Alam ba, nag-cover ka ng Marlboro Tour?
It's hard to do kasi dahil like yung especially dun sa identifications ng name.
Okay.
And then you'll identify it left to right.
Kumuha ka?
Yeah.
Okay.
You will do it, tatandaan mo siya. You'll remember like frames 1 to 10. Yes, and then you'll just write it and then you'll send it to flown in na lang siya ng Philippine Airlines like that.
Yung rolyo mismo?
Yeah.
Hindi pa napoprocess, kailangan nakasulat na yan.
Yeah. Abangan na lang nila sa bus yun, and then tatawag ko dun sa office na that I already sent my rolls. And then that's the time.
Pero ito, pag digital ang gamit mo, kumover ka ng Marlboro Tour, ano mangyayari ngayon?
It will be very easy for you to
Anong transmission?
This one, you're going to use this.
So may laptop ka?
Laptop, i-download mo ngayon i-download mo ngayon yung card. Then, pag-download na yun, pwede mo nang i-enhance.
Pwede ka na lang parang digital darkroom na lang.
Pwede mo nang i-enhance by the use of cellphone or landline. Maghanap kung basta may signal ka. Pwede nang ipadala.
Okay, sa internet?
Internet.
Okay.
Or kung walang signal naman yung lugar mo, area mo, merong sat phone, di ba?
Okay, okay.
Kaya kaya
So ganun naka-high-tech ngayon, ha? So you can just be, let's say, nasa Siargao ka, kumuha ka ng surfing, dadala mo na lang sa Manila Standard yung ano mo, yung mga litrato mo. Right. And some of your works here, dito, alam niyo pa ba dito kung alin ang digital tsaka kung alin ang film? Kasi marami nagsasabi, iba pa rin ang yung print out, malalaman mo kung digital o film. Ito ba lahat ito digital o mayroong film dito?
This side, this is Ren's works.
Okay.
These are all digitals.
All digital.
Yeah.
Okay. Yung sa yung side,
That one is film.
film to.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so malalaman nyo kung, ano ba, bigyan kita ng, parehong scene, parehong ilaw, malalaman nyo kung digital yung kuha o kung film yung kuha. Is there a difference na rin sa output pag ganyan?
kung medyo halata yung yung pagkaka-enhance ng photo, mahalata mong yun,
Digital, kasi may pixels.
Yeah.
Pero kung sabihin natin, 8x10 lang, hindi ba masyadong in-enlarge? Hindi na rin nagkakalayo, ano?
Because ito like this one, sample.
Okay. Okay. Yung tinuturo mo, yung kay Renny. Okay.
Makikita mo doon sa texture ng print. Ano siya, iba eh. Iba yung niya, yung outcome niya. Kasi not like this one, yung sa yung film, meron talaga siyang emulsion.
Okay, okay.
Yung contrast niya.
Kita-kita.
Yeah.
Right. But what about costs? Hindi ba mahalang mag-digital photography?
Expensive talaga siya.
Kasi bagong set na equipment yan eh.
Yeah.
How much usually would like this one? How much would it cost you like a workhorse camera? Yung investment mo as against a film investment?
investment mo sa digital. Kasi sa una ka lang mag-i-invest niyan eh. Kasi wala ka nang bibiling film.
Nakabayaran
Developing. Basta yun lang. Kailangan mo ng laptop, digital. And this one yung
Ano naman to? Kamalo yan.
easy copy. Example, wala kang dalang laptop. Dito mo da-download ngayon yung yung CF. Kung bibigay mo na sa client.
Tapos ready na, mag-write na ng CD.
CD na.
Okay.
Straight.
Okay, Sunny, Renny, siguro tips na lang sa mga aspiring photographers. What should they do first? Ano yung consider nila dapat? So, Renny, go first.
For me, sa mga nag-i-start ng photography, mag-film muna sila. So, kasi sa digital, meron ng manual, pero hindi mo yung program ng camera eh. Kaya dun sa all manual muna sila.
Matuto muna
sila ng basics.
Sunny.
Yeah, the same with Renny. Ganun din, dapat malaman naman nila yung basic, yung laboratory works, tsaka yung manual operations like that, yung focusing, yung aperture and speed. Kasi maano sila, parang maninibago sila pag bumalik sila doon sa manual, galing na sila sa digital, gano'n.
They wouldn't know how to operate it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tsaka yung mga gusto mag-photo journalist, wherever they go, always bring a camera.
Lagi may baon.
Lagi.
Alright. Renny Pampolina, maraming salamat. And Sunny Espiritu, thank you for visiting us here on Breakfast. We're gonna take a very short break, guys. Don't go away. Itong mo mukhang take pa.